Microsoft released their open-source development platform called .NET in 2024. The first release was the .NET framework, which allowed programmers to develop code. It provided an alternative to Sun Microsystem's Java framework. Initially, the .NET framework was designed for Windows applications. Since then, Microsoft has released newer versions and updates, making it a popular choice for web, mobile, and desktop applications. A .NET developer is a professional who develops, designs, and implements software applications using .NET technologies. They often use C# to craft applications for clients. Modern versions of the .NET platform allow developers to create apps for multiple platforms, including mobile, desktop, web apps, IoT devices, and games. To become certified, one must obtain at least a bachelor's degree in fields like computer science, software engineering, or information technology. Initially, the .NET platform was limited to Windows. However, with ASP.NET, developers can now create applications that run across platforms such as Linux, macOS, and Windows. Developers need a basic knowledge of front-end programming languages like JavaScript or HTML, and back-end languages like Python, PHP, or Java. Understanding these languages assists in creating applications on .NET platforms. Xamarin provides .NET developers the freedom to develop mobile apps using .NET. This expands the .NET platform with libraries and tools for creating apps for Android, iOS, Windows Phone 8RT, or watchOS platforms. This flexibility allows developers to move beyond web and desktop applications, offering a broader range of development opportunities. Machine learning and artificial intelligence represent the future of technology. .NET developers use the MLNet platform to integrate these technologies into their apps. AI models must be created to make applications run faster, smoothly, and reliably. This integration ensures maximum application effectiveness and keeps developers at the forefront of technological advancements. Cloud computing is essential for data storage and management. .NET developers use the .NET framework to create, develop, maintain, and administer cloud applications. They employ templates and strategies designed to increase efficiency in application creation. This makes cloud computing an indispensable technology for modern .NET developers. The demand for .NET developers is high across various employers and industries. The .NET framework allows for the development of both front-end and back-end components of an application in one central place. This unified platform is used by leading IT companies like Microsoft, Intel, Stack Overflow, and Siemens, making .NET developers highly sought after. .NET is a comprehensive and expanding platform offering many features, libraries, and frameworks. Essential skills for .NET developers include proficiency in ASP.NET MVC, coding, and various programming languages like C#, F#, and VB.NET. Knowledge of client-side technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is also crucial. Additionally, soft skills like communication, problem-solving, and time management are vital for success. Consider finding a mentor who can provide guidance and identify areas for growth. Mentors can offer instruction about your duties or act as expert resources. Additionally, use feedback from supervisors and users to improve future projects. By applying constructive criticism, you'll avoid repeating past errors and learn what needs to be done for future endeavors.